Hi, welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. Today I'm going to show you around this absolutely gorgeous 68 registration Ford Kuga ST-Line. Now this is the 1.5 EcoBoost petroleum engine. So these are fantastic on fuel, got great brake horsepower and are all round an absolute gorgeous car. Now this car is finished in the gloss black paint with the black detailing, so you've got the black front grille, you've got the full colour coding of the vehicle all round. We get the privacy glass and the roof bars, and inside, when we have a look in there, you get the half leather ST-Line interior. Now the car sits on these gorgeous 18-inch bi-colour alloys, so the centres are black and then you've got this sort of aluminium finish, and the wheels are in great condition. Sometimes you do get people who don't look after the cars, they start flaking, but these are in great order throughout. The colour coding around the vehicle, so you get the bottom skirts all colour coded, we get the door handles, the ST-Line grills on the wing there, the power vents. This has got the parking parallel park system, so a self-parking system if you trust it, so you get the sensors all around the vehicle. But really smart cars, very nice to drive these. You'll be blown away with the power from that 1500 EcoBoost engine. Whenever we get these in, they pretty much go straight away as good as a diesel engine, these cars. And obviously in this shall we say conscious about the environment, these suit every pocket. So you've got the rear twin tailpipes there, and then again your parking sensors round, EcoBoost engine, and then you get this fantastic boot. Family wise, you'll fit everything in there, won't you? Really large space, lots of storage, gets the rear blind too. Nice with Ford, you still get the space saver spare wheel. You're never stuck on a motorway with a tyre inflator that doesn't work. 12-volt charger as well. Privacy glass in the rear, so you can't see really what you've got in the car, and also with it being an SUV, it keeps it nice and cool in the summer. Again, all the wheels are in perfect order. When we do PDI the car, it'll have the wheels removed. Our technicians, they will then detail the alloy wheels. They'll remove them, wash them, polish them, paint the calipers, do the discs. Just detail it so it looks like it was brand new when you come and look at it. We offer click and collect on this vehicle, so you can reserve it online with us. Give us a call, we take a deposit. We then prepare the car so that you only have to come to Wigan once. Now, as you can see, the half leather interior on an ST is Alcantara in the centre, and then the lovely black leather on the outside with this superb stitch which goes with the sporty feel of this vehicle. When you open the door, you get the chrome kick plates and the aluminium pedal set. Very sporty. Ford have always been good at doing little details like that. This car then has the powerful mirrors, which is that little button there, which is nice in a car park, you'll not get them knocked off. 4 electric windows, remote central locking, automatic headlamps. Steering wheel on an ST is multifunction, and again you can see that delightful little red leather stitch there. Really nice in the hand, your silver detail on the bottom. Again, Ford's interiors, they've always been as probably the market leaders. Very nice on the touch. Start buttons down here. We do have 2 keys for the vehicle. Digital climate control, 6-speed manual gearbox, Ford Sync voice control system, and then you get the larger screen now. Okay, and then everything is along the bottom of the screen. So I've got SAT NAV, DAB radio, go to sources, and then you can just pick which one. Your Bluetooth audio, so it streams your music. CD player, if you still got those. Connect to phone, so that's again your music system. Navigation, connect your phone, and then you'll have obviously all your apps on your phone as well. And then again, everything's there. Parking sensors, as we say here, is front and rear, and that's your parking pilot there, which once that's pressed, it'll look for a car space for you, and then you can park it in that if you wish. Centre console then has got cup holders if you like a coffee on the way to work. In the centre storage armrest, 2 USBs for charging your device. Cruise control, speed limiter if you're on the motorway. The car itself at the moment has done 38,117 miles, so nice low mileage. Auto dimming mirror, heated front windscreen for winter. All the features you'd want. As I said, power folding mirrors, pop them in there, pop them back out. 2 keys in my pocket. But what a lovely, lovely motor car. The passenger seat is as good as it when it left the factory. The carpets are all in great condition. Everything about it is just a wonderful, wonderful example. A very, very nice, maintained, cared for car. Having a look in the rear, you'll see you've got acres of space there for your children. You've got auxiliary he says. You've got the Isofix chairs, part leather seats again. The centre one is in leather, and then again, but you can see you could fit 2 baby seats very, very nicely into there, as well as having space for a 3rd child in the middle. If you've got 3 kids, that is. So all the way round, the car is exactly what any family would require. Reliable, well built, just had its 3rd birthday, so just been MOT'd as well. We'll prepare it to the highest of standards here in Wigan. Again, if you do want to reserve it, it's a £250 reservation fee. I will get the car ready for you then, and then you only have to come once, whether it's with your part exchange. We've got everything that one would need, whether it be finance facility under our pictures here. Have a look at that. PCP, HP, it's all there for you. Have a look on Facebook, have a look at our reviews. We're a 5-star dealer. We've been doing this job for 40 years here in Wigan. We offer click and collect, so it's simple, it's fun, it's enjoyable, all those things that car buying should be. And you're buying a great car with 2 keys, a full book pack, serviced, warranted and MOT'd before it leaves Wigan. So if you need any more information, I'm Graham, we've got Dom and we've got Lee on sales. Anybody be happy to help you in any way we possibly can. But thanks for watching our video, and I look forward to your inquiry.